Hey guys, Jim over at Easy Graphic Apps, and I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of Easy Fan Page Graphics. So as you can see, we're right on the dashboard, and this is a very flexible software, and there's a lot of built-in tools, but it also gives you customization features that you would expect as well. So very quickly, I'm going to walk through the various sizes are over here, predetermined sizes, right from Facebook themselves as far as what size they should be, as well as giving you the ability to create any size image that you like as well via the custom size feature as well. So what I'm going to do now, of course, you can upload your own videos. You can change colors of the backgrounds. You can add text. You can do quite a bit. But what I want to do really quickly is show you some of the key templates that we have built in. So templates are laid out by category size. So for this example, I'm just going to grab one of our post templates and really quickly show you how you can easily edit to fit your needs. Now you can see this is a hotel discount template. You might want to change the text that's already there, remove, replace, whatever you want to do with the text. You might want to change the actual font, so you can change the font itself. There's quite a selection of fonts here to choose from. You can move the text, you can resize the text. There's a couple ways you can resize it. Either grab this handle here and resize it where it keeps the proportion, or you can actually stretch it by pulling these grab bars here. Now let's say I want to get rid of that and just make this fill up this whole space, but I don't want to necessarily go left to right, so boom, all of a sudden I've got a text that fits better. You can grab any image and move it around. You can see it's in layers. This one's actually behind the rest of everything. So you can simply go bring forward, send it back, again, adjust how you see fit. You can shrink the images, whatever you need to do. In addition, I'm going to clear that background image for a second and show you backgrounds. Now you can have a transparent background, you can have a pattern background, gradient, and these backgrounds are also colorized, which means you can change the color. So let's say we like this background, we can simply click on the background and then click this little color icon and change it to a color that might fit our design better. Let's say we want to switch to stripes. Boom, one click, you switch to stripes. Don't like that shape of the stripes? Go the other way, right? Okay, so I'm going to leave it this way. This kind of stands out. Actually, I'm going to put on that one. And you get the idea. There's a ton of backgrounds here you can choose from. You can play around with borders, instant borders. This especially works well for pictures, but you can see this gives a little design flair. With one click, you've got an instant border. There are a ton of built-in graphics among a bunch of different categories here, so I'm just going to grab ribbons. You can see that's the ribbon that was used here, although they did a rotate to build a template and then shrunk it down a little bit. But we don't need that ribbon. You get the idea with ribbons. There are a bunch of pre-drawn ribbons already in here for you, various colors. There's also several business icons and images built into the system, which is nice. So you can pretty much get what you're looking for. And again, you can easily change the design up to be anything you need. And again, you can see all these built-in images. Maybe you're doing some local marketing. You want to put some discount for a pizza restaurant. You could have the name of the pizza restaurant, a picture of the pizza. You could change these images around and even have a picture of pizza built in there. Oops, I actually put two of them in there by accident. So you get the idea. It's very quick and easy to fix and adjust. You can send this backwards. We'll send this back so it's behind that. There we go, behind that little border, right? So you get the idea. And in addition to business, you've also got devices. So you're doing some more of tech marketing. You can use that. There's quite a few. Actually, I'll walk through these devices again here real quick. Quite a few devices built in that just click and instantly appear on the screen, and you can start editing. Placeholders. These are pretty cool for placards and frames. You have social media icons. You can see a big variety: YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, all the common ones, multiple ones for many of them. And tags. These are kind of like attention grabbers. Again, all built in. Now the other cool thing is there's a category called memes, and then there's some miscellaneous ones. You get some other popular built-in graphics here. Now the other really cool thing on this software You can see there's quite a few here. All right, so the other cool thing I want to show you before we go is if you don't find the icon you want, of course, you can upload your own. You simply click this upload button, and you can upload anything, including transparent PNGs, JPEGs, any type of image you'd want to work with. Now, if you still don't have your own and you want to create your own, that's where this next category comes in, and that's called shapes. It gives you 8 different shapes that you can simply click, drag onto the canvas, and then colorize and form to fit what you mean. So let me show you what I mean by that. When you click on any of these, they start out black, but you can change the color to any color you want. Now, in addition, of course, you can still shrink and rotate, so you can see that you can pretty much create anything you need here by a combination of shapes. Let's say we want to make a quick little clipboard or something here. We could have that and maybe rotate that, so we'll make a clipboard with these custom colors. Oh, you know what, we'll make it like a legal pad, right? And you can see how quick and easy that is to do. So you can create your own custom icons if you don't have what you need built in here, which is great, very quickly and easily. And the last thing I want to show you is the variety of templates. Again, we have covers. Give you a quick scan through some of the cover graphics that we have. There's some great places to get started. As you can see, there's just a ton of different cover images already pre-built in here for you. As well as tabs, posts. Posts is another category I really like. There's some good design starters to get you going, so you don't have to stare at that blank canvas, although you certainly can start out with that blank canvas. This is kind of a good one. You can see the background stays the same, but everything else changed. So anyway, you get the idea. It's an awesome tool that very quickly and easily lets you create images perfect for Facebook, whether it's for sharing as far as a post, whether it's for creating ads that are high converting, whether it's doing custom banners, custom headers, whatever you need. And the other cool thing on all of this is you can do custom sizes, as I mentioned earlier, so you can really create anything that you need at any size, and you can see the whole thing instantly changes and you don't lose your template or your design that you've already created. So I hope that answers most of your questions. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to support at easygraphicapps.com. We'll be happy to help. Oh, one last thing before I let you go. Once you're working on a design, I'm going to grab a new template here. Let's grab this one. When you're working on a design and you want to see how that design looks, or it's going to look on the screen, you simply click preview, and that shows you what your design is going to look like right before you download it. Obviously, this big download button is how you actually save. And the last thing I almost forgot to mention as well, you can even save your own templates. That's what this save button is for, and that's what this load button is for. So you can create your own design, click save, it'll save on your computer, and then you can access it from your computer later by clicking load. So let's say you build out an ad for a client or yourself, and you want to make sure to save that ad and make some edits later. You simply click save, you enter your file name, click save, put it on your computer, and then later you can click load, and you'll go and load your file name right off your computer. It's pretty cool. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Make it a great day. Talk to you soon. Thanks.